grocery store was packed today. Holy crap.
Hey man, what's up?
What the hell are you doing here?
I thought I'd come by and see what you're doing today.
I am plopping my ass on my couch and I'm not doing anything today.
Whoa, not so fast, Buttercup. You better go take a look in that bathroom because you got a broken cabinet. The false drawer is getting ready to fall off and hit the floor. I think you need to go in there because it's going to need some fixing.
Damn it. All right, let me finish these groceries and then I'll take care of that. Where the hell did he go? Oh, man. Hey, where'd you go?
Hey, I'm in here.
All right, let's see what the hell's broken in here. Ah, there's the old broken cabinet. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell are you doing?
I'm using the bathroom.
You tell me there's a broken cabinet in this bathroom and you gotta come in here and drop a deuce and stink this place up? There's 2 other bathrooms in this house and you couldn't use one of those. You gotta come in here and use this one.
I had to go really, really bad, and this was the closest one. It's better than leaving a mess on your couch.
And when you get done, wash your hands. Because men are in the 60%er category, which means 60% of the men don't wash their hands after using the bathroom. Don't be one of them. You're everything else. You probably are one of those. Get the hell out of here.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's this? Fresh balsam.
I hope you choke.
All right, let's see what's broken. Man, it smells like a bear shit a pine tree in here. Yep, it's broke. Time for a repair. The hardest part about this whole job is knowing what they call this. This is a sink tip out, snap in, false drawer. And that's how you have to find the hardware to put this together. It's real simple, but finding the parts was the most difficult. The plastic clips, they just get old and bust off. These are the 2 plastic cylinders that those clips snap onto. These look cracked, but they're not broken. I'm gonna try to do this without changing these. If they snap, I'll do it again and change those cylinders. There's enough pieces in here to do 2 drawer faces. You got 8 screws, 4 long, 4 short. Be careful. The long have to go with the cylinder. If you put the long in here, it's gonna go through the wood. Snap it in place. Just gonna put those over. Ta-da! Cabinet's repaired. A-hole Steve made his way out earlier. My ass is on my couch. I'm not doing anything else today. Cheers, an icy cold Stella Artois. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend. See ya.